What's up, people? Well, finally the weather came down a little bit, so it's trying to fit in this bad boy and test it, see how that goes. I'm still a bit skeptical. Hard to believe I'm gonna make any changes, but sure. The only pain is the amount of dismantling I have to do to just fit that bloody thing in. Anyway, the module goes in under the tank inside there, so to get there I have to take the crash bars off, fairings off, two seats are off, side panels off, tank off. Well, we'll see about the tank. Hopefully I might don't have to disconnect it, just lift it and get the access that way. If not, tank will have to come off. Then after swapping the module, we're gonna put the tank back on, check my idle speed and synchronize the bodies because the new module, so make sure that's all right, and we'll take it from there. I'm not gonna bore you with all this dismantling stuff. I'll probably put on a hyperlap, so once I have that dismantle, we'll slow down and see how things go. Right, let's begin. Hopefully we finish today.
Boys and girls, welcome to Rome. Hello, hey, I'm your Raspberry. Give me the drums. House, drink martini dry. Julius Caesar, mighty mouse, watching girls go by. Palms are dancing on the beach, bikinis on the run. Art is art and kitsch is kitsch. That's Italian fun. Mama cello, the mama stroione. Mama cello, the mama stroione.
I want to show you the twin battery setup I have. It's normally something similar they would have on police bikes. So I have like a exactly same battery in where it's supposed to be a radio, and then I have heavy duty wires running and to just double up on this battery and get charged, and just builds give you extra crank power and stuff. So yeah, this engine uses loads of cranking power to start it up. Anyway, if anybody interested. So now the idea is, now I'm going to disconnect the battery and see if that tank will lift a little bit. Like you can see it. I probably can't see it. The module is just right there. Right, let's see how. Now you can see the module just there. So I hope to, there's like, how many, there's 4 bolts, is it? We don't know if we can get them. But you will see. I think there's 4 bolts, like that one, and a couple on the side to release the module. So I'm going to try that. It's okay, it's on. Okay, will you? These wires have to go that way then.
Go around it.
Yeah. Right, moment of truth. Have to start the bike up, run a gear up, and then we're going to check the balance and everything. Warming up there. There's a tube. Let's see. Right, so it's turned a little bit unbalanced, so I might just adjust a little brass screws, just goes the oil. Make sure your cables are seated properly on both sides in their position. So I'm going to adjust a brass screw to adjust the oil, and then we'll see if I have to adjust at the load speed. Right, good enough. Right, bike cooled down, so we'll start up doing the process again, see if it's balanced throttle bodies and everything's in place, and then put everything back together. As well as that, I want to check amperage draw on the starter motor. Right, it looks even enough. Idle speed is okay, and at 3000 RPM even enough. Right, so we're going to tighten up the set screw, and then we'll check again, see, make sure it's all in the right place, and then we'll start to assemble. Right, that's it. Now I put a little bit paint, so that way I know if it's moved or not. Now just I'm gonna assemble the rest of the bike and test drive it for a couple of weeks and let you know what's going on. Yeah, job done.